Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to give you some downloads in relation to muscle testing. Muscle testing is really important and really powerful in helping you to identify which belief systems you need to change. So when you identify a negative belief that doesn't serve you, you go up into a theta state, you make the command to make the change, and you allow yourself to witness that change taking place. Always keep it simple. Remember, the creator's the healer. You're not the healer, the creator is. Creator is doing all the work. You're just allowing yourself to witness the change taking place. Right? So when it comes to muscle testing, some of the things that are really important is being hydrated, making sure that you've had plenty of water, because if you're not hydrated, it can affect your muscle testing. So drinking a bit of water will help. Another thing is zipping your energy up. So from your base chakra up to your chin, you zip yourself up. That can help you as well to allow you to get the correct muscle testing. So the other thing that can help you hydrating yourself is actually tapping your kidneys. So tapping your kidneys will actually help to hydrate you as well, and that will help you with your muscle testing. So what we're going to do is give you some downloads. So knowing what it feels like to be confident with your muscle testing, knowing how to trust your muscle testing, knowing how to trust your body to give you the correct answers or responses, and knowing how to trust your ability to use muscle testing with other people, knowing how to allow yourself to confidently muscle test other people, and knowing that it's safe and possible for you to see your truth, and knowing that it's safe and possible for you to see other people's truth, and knowing how to allow yourself to use muscle testing in a positive way. So knowing how to recognize your negative belief systems, knowing how to recognize through muscle testing the things that are holding you back, and knowing how to have the confidence to change those things that are holding you back, and knowing that it's safe and possible for you to change your beliefs quickly and easily, and knowing how to have faith in yourself to change your beliefs quickly and easily. So if you're happy to receive those downloads, then just say yes. Cool. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be notified of upcoming videos when we post them. And also share it with friends, share it with family, share it with people that you think can benefit from this. And thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon.